Hey kids, ever met an animal whose name starts with A, B, C, or D? Let's find out together. A is for alligator. Snap snap, watch out for those sharp teeth. Alligators love to sunbathe and swim in swamps. B is for bear. Big, fluffy, and always ready for a snack. Bears love honey and berries. Yum. C is for cheetah. The fastest land animal on the planet. Zoom. They can run as fast as a car on the highway. Wow, right? D is for dolphin. Friendly and super smart, dolphins love to jump and play in the ocean. They even talk to each other with clicks and whistles. So, there you have it, A, B, C, and D animals from the wild. Next time you see an alligator, bear, cheetah, or dolphin, you'll know just what they are. Keep exploring and learning, little adventurers. See you next time. Hey kids, ready to meet more amazing animals? Let's continue our ABC adventure with the letter E. E is for elephant. Big, gentle giants with long trunks. Elephants love to eat grass and fruits. They are very social animals and live in herds. F is for flamingo. These birds are known for their bright pink feathers and long legs. Flamingos love to stand on one leg and eat shrimp and algae. Did you know their pink color comes from the food they eat? G is for gorilla. Strong and intelligent, gorillas live in the forests of Africa. They love to eat fruits, leaves, and bark. Gorillas are also very family-oriented and live in groups called troops. H is for hippopotamus. These large animals love the water and can often be found in rivers and lakes. Hippos spend most of their day submerged to keep cool and come out at night to graze on grass. Wow, kids, we've met elephants, flamingos, gorillas, and hippos today. Remember, the world is full of incredible animals just waiting for you to discover. Keep exploring and learning, little adventurers. See you next time. Hey kids, guess what? We've got another exciting animal to meet with. The letter FF is for fox. Clever and quick, foxes are great hunters. They love to eat small animals and fruits. Foxes are known for their beautiful red fur. Isn't it amazing how each letter brings a whole new world of animals? So many creatures to discover and learn about. Keep up the adventure, little explorers. Until next time, happy exploring. Hey kids, it's time for another exciting animal adventure. This time we're looking at the letter G. G is for giraffe. Did you know that giraffes are the tallest animals on land with their incredibly long necks? These gentle giants love to munch on leaves from tall trees. And guess what? Each giraffe has unique spots on their bodies, just like human fingerprints. Isn't it fascinating how every letter introduces us to a new and wonderful creature? Keep exploring and learning, little adventurers. See you next time. H is for hippopotamus. Big and heavy, hippos love water. They spend most of their time in rivers and lakes. Hippos are very strong and can run fast on land. Despite their size, these amazing creatures are excellent swimmers and can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. Isn't it incredible how diverse and fascinating the animal kingdom is? Keep up the great work, little explorers, and let's continue our wild adventure together. See you in the next chapter. I is for iguana. Green lizards that love to climb trees. Iguanas eat leaves, flowers, and fruits. They have a long tail and sharp claws. These fascinating reptiles are often found basking in the sun, soaking up warmth to stay active. Iguanas are excellent swimmers too, and can hold their breath for a surprisingly long time underwater. Isn't it amazing how every animal has its own unique way of living? Keep exploring, little adventurers, and stay curious about our wonderful wildlife. See you in the next chapter. J is for jaguar. Powerful and stealthy big cats. Jaguars love to hunt in the jungle. They have beautiful spotted fur. These magnificent creatures are strong swimmers and often live near water. Jaguars are known for their incredible strength and agility, making them one of the top predators in their habitat. Keep discovering the wonders of the animal kingdom, and remember, there's always more to learn. See you in the next chapter. K is for kangaroo. Hopping animals with strong legs. Kangaroos carry their babies in pouches. They live in Australia and love to eat grass. These amazing creatures are known for their incredible jumping ability, sometimes leaping over 9 meters in a single bound. Kangaroos travel in groups called mobs and are one of the most iconic animals of the Australian outback. Keep hopping through our wild animal ABCD adventure, and stay tuned for more exciting discoveries. L is for lion. King of the jungle with a majestic mane. Lions live in groups called prides. They are powerful hunters and love to eat meat. These magnificent creatures are known for their loud roars that can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. Lions spend most of the day resting and can sleep up to 20 hours. Join us as we continue our wild animal ABCD adventure and discover more about the incredible world of animals. M is for monkey. Playful and curious animals. Monkeys love to swing from tree to tree. They eat fruits, leaves, and insects. Monkeys are known for their intelligence and social behavior. They live in troops and communicate with each other through various sounds and gestures. These fascinating creatures are found in tropical regions around the world. Join us as we keep exploring the amazing alphabet of wild animals. N is for narwhal, unicorns of the sea with long tusks. Narwhals live in the Arctic waters. They love to eat fish and squid. O is for owl, wise birds with big eyes. Owls are great hunters and love to eat small animals. They can see very well in the dark. P is for penguin, cute birds that can't fly but love to swim. Penguins live in cold places and eat fish. They have a unique black and white appearance. Q is for quail, small birds that love to run. Quails live in grasslands and eat seeds and insects. They have beautiful patterned feathers. R is for rabbit, cute and fluffy animals with long ears. Rabbits love to eat carrots and vegetables. They are very fast and can hop long distances. S is for snake, slithering reptiles with no legs. Snakes love to eat small animals and eggs. They have smooth, scaly skin. T is for tiger, powerful big cats with stripes. Tigers love to hunt in the jungle. They have beautiful orange and black fur. U is for umbrella bird, birds with unique umbrella-like crests. Umbrella birds live in the rainforest. They love to eat fruits and insects. V is for vulture, large birds that clean up the environment. Vultures love to eat dead animals. They have a bald head and strong beak. W is for whale, giants of the ocean with big hearts. Whales love to sing and communicate. They eat small fish and plankton. X is for X-ray tetra, small fish with transparent bodies. X-ray tetras live in freshwater rivers. They love to eat small insects and plants. Y is for yak, strong animals with long hair. Yaks live in the mountains and love to eat grass. They are very helpful to people. Z is for zebra, striped animals that look like horses. Zebras live in the grasslands and love to eat grass. They have unique black and white stripes.